don'ts. Do you have a list of things to do, a list of things do not to do?
Well, what you want to do, first off, to do is plan, pre-plan, plan. Know what you're going to do the week before it starts, the following week. Know what you're going to do the day before it starts. Okay. So that's something that you have to know what you're going to do. Otherwise, at the end of the day, you don't even know what you did. I mean, how many times I've had it, we all have it. It's like, wow, what did I get accomplished today? I don't know, because the day just kind of took ourselves over. So that's a big to do, is to know what you want to do in advance of doing it. What you should not do is don't get stuck in minutia. You should always avoid repetitive tasks, as you said. Job them out. Don't get stuck in the busyness of your business. If there's stuff, you want to really focus on what you need to get done, not all the small stuff, the distractions. What you should do is absolutely have that 4-hour block of time every week to get things accomplished that you want to get done. The big thing, right? That's going to catapult you forward for success. You want to have that 4-hour block. What you don't want to do is you don't want to spend all day trying to catch up. You don't want to also check your emails first thing in the morning, or don't have your inbox turned on all day. I mean, I have clients that say, I have to keep my inbox on because, someone might want something. It's like, yeah, so no, don't do that. Go into your inbox in premeditated blocks